If you are watching this video, it means you have a script and you want to convert it into a video using AI Video Maker. Look at this channel. Do you see the videos? The income of this channel is great. This channel is the same. Look at the income of this one. You can see a lot of this style of channels on YouTube. They all have very good incomes. You can work in any niche you want, make videos like these, and earn a lot of money. And of course, it doesn't matter if you don't have any skills. Just grab your laptop and let's get started on your journey to becoming a successful YouTube creator. First, let's go to Pictory's site and sign up for a new account. Once you've done that, you're ready to get started. Now, we assume you have a script. So the first step is to upload your written text to the platform from this section and let Pictory work its magic. Click this option. You have to choose a title for your video here. It doesn't matter what, you can change it at the end anyway. Now for example, this is my script. I paste it in here, separating the sentences. Now you can change the scene setting. You can choose anything you want. I prefer to have exact these settings. Then press here to proceed. Now it's time to choose your preferred style and template. Pictory has a wide range of options to choose from, so you can create the perfect video for your needs. As you can see, each of these templates has a unique appearance. Choose one according to your taste. In this section, you can choose the size you want. If you want to make a short video, you should choose this one. But if you want to create a normal video, click on this. Finally, click on the Continue option. Wait for the desired page to load. Well, here's a video that will do it for you. You can watch this video by clicking on any part. You will see the video related to that sentence. This is a unique video for your script, but sometimes you may want to change some videos, and you can easily change it. If you want to change a video, just click here. You can see similar videos and photos here based on the text you enter. You can choose the best video or photo based on your taste. One more thing about your text. You can change the font, color, size, and anything you see here. You can customize it however you want. One of the most important things in some types of videos is the music. Pictory has a huge music library here for you. Besides this, you can easily use voiceover for your video. Choose one of these sounds and apply it to your video. But if you want to add your own music or voice, no problem. Here you can add your voice, or even have your favorite music too. Each of these sections has its own settings that you can easily customize according to your taste. Once you're happy with the script and style, it's time to sit back and let the Pictory redo the rest. In just a few minutes, you'll have a high-quality video ready to download and share with the world. Pictory is like having your own personal assistant on set, but without having to pay them or deal with their endless demands for coffee. And the best part? You don't have to be a tech genius to use it. Are you ready to take your videos to the next level and make them even more exciting for your viewers? Well, let me share a little secret with you. The power of voice in video. And the best part? You can easily achieve this with just a few clicks. I mean, maybe you wouldn't like to add your own voice or even Pictory voices to your video based on your taste. But fret not, because we have a solution for you. Introducing a super strong AI technology that can generate voiceovers in any tone or style that you desire, resulting in a truly captivating video that will leave your audience wanting more. So why wait? Let's create something extraordinary together. Say hello to Muff, the ultimate solution to all your voiceover needs. You can customize your voiceover based on your own unique taste and preferences. To get started, simply head over to the Muff website and sign up. After registration, you can start working with it. Now, as a first step, you need to create a new project. Name it whatever you want. Select this option. Well, here's the main dashboard when you log in now. Let's put some text in this AI. You can upload your own text file, or you can even copy it. I choose the copy-paste mode. I copied my text before, and now paste it here. Okay, as you see, each sentence can be in one line with press the enter on your keyboard. It is better to separate the sentences. Now let's select on this avatar to search through the voices. Here, you need to choose the type of voices you want for your video. As you can see, Math offers a variety of voices from natural-sounding human voices to robotic and even cartoon voices. Here you have to choose your favorite voice or even languages, whether you want a man or a woman, or even a serious and professional tone or a playful and fun tone. Muff has Sue covered, for example. Now I choose this one. And here's the best part, you can even adjust the pacing and emphasis of your voiceover to ensure that it perfectly matches your video's mood and speed. And pitch. One exciting thing about Meth is you can have a conversation between many voices. For example, here I add a new block with a new sentence. Now I can choose another voice for saying this sentence in this way. Easily you can add more voices at once after all the settings. It's time to generate and download the voices. You can click on this option to generate each of them, and click this play button to generate it, once after the button turns black. You can listen to your voice, Then if you are satisfied with them, you can download the audio by clicking here. That's all. It is so easy and exciting to work with Muff. Try it out by yourself with registering an account and see the difference it makes in your videos now. Let's consider another situation. Perhaps you don't have any script for your video. Not to worry, there's a powerful AI tool that can lend a helping hand in situations like these. Now you can easily use ChatGPT. Let's enter the site. I put all the links in the description for you to use this artificial intelligence. You must first create an account. After creating an account, you can now use it easily. This is the free plan of this AI tools, but you can also upgrade to the +1 that it shows here. And it is depend on yourself to choose which one. Now I prefer to use the free plan. Okay, the first thing you should know is that you'll need to find a topic for your video. This can be anything that interests you, from cooking to fitness to travel. Once you have a topic in mind, it's time to start brainstorming some ideas. You can use ChatGPT to help you come up with ideas for your video. Just enter your topic into the chatbot and let it generate some prompts for you. For example, your topic is about motivation type. This tell me 5 YouTube topic idea about motivation. ChatGPT suggests some ideas for you, and you can choose the best one. Of course, you can ask some more ideas too. Now, once you have a few ideas, it's time to start writing your script. Choose one of them. Now we want an intro for this topic. How to stay motivated during challenging times, tips, and strategies. You'll want to include an introduction that grabs your viewers' attention and gives them a reason to keep watching. This is what's suggested to you if you read it. It is really amazing. Exactly what I needed now. We need the main script. Ask for this part I write here. Count into this intro to YouTube video main script in 500 word. As you can see here, ChatGPT is preparing the script for you. You have to wait for it to finish as you're writing your script. Keep in mind that your video should be engaging and informative. You want to provide value to your viewers and keep them entertained at the same time. If you get stuck or need some inspiration, you can always turn to ChatGPT for help. Just enter a question or prompt into the chatbot, and it will generate a response based on its extensive knowledge base. And there you have it. You can come up with a topic and write a script for your video in no time with the help of ChatGPT. Now, as we said during the video, you can take your script to the pick 3 and create your desired video. And if you need voice, you can use the site that we put the link in the description. In the end, I made this 60-second video using the artificial intelligence tools that I introduce in this video to show you the result. Watch this carefully if you are tired of a traditional 9-5 grind. Here you are, one of the best ways to have a personal job and earn more money, even if you have no special skills. Who doesn't want to be their own boss? Work from anywhere in the world. If you're excited about videos like this, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified when a new video is uploaded. You can also use your own best taste to create it. Please like the video, it takes just a second. Thank you for your watching. Till the next video.